If you use Evernote on more than one device, syncing is what keeps all of your notes, checklists, and ideas in one place, no matter where you open them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync Evernote across devices quickly and make sure all of your connected devices are showing the same content. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is install the Evernote app on every device you want to use, or open Evernote in your web browser if you prefer the web version. You can download the app on Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android, so no matter what devices you use, Evernote has an option for you. Once the app is installed, open it on your first device and sign in using the same account you plan to use everywhere else. This part is really important. To keep syncing working properly, you need to log in with the exact same email and password on every device. If you normally use Google Sign-In or Apple Sign-In, make sure you use that same login method on all of your devices too. If you accidentally sign in with a different account, your notes will not appear in the same place, and it can look like syncing is broken when really you're just in the wrong account. After you're signed in, add or open a note on one device. Then go to your second device and check whether that note appears there. This is the easiest way to verify that syncing is working correctly. For example, you can type a short test note like sync check on your phone, then open Evernote on your laptop and look for it. If it shows up, that means your devices are connected and syncing properly. If the note does not appear right away, don't worry. Sometimes Evernote just needs a moment to update. On mobile, you can manually refresh by dragging down on your notes list to trigger a sync. On desktop, you can press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac to reload the app or browser and reconnect with the servers. That refresh often forces Evernote to pull in your latest changes. Now let's go one step further and make sure your connected devices are all set up inside the app. Tap or click on your profile icon first. Then go into Settings. From there, choose Devices. In this section, you should be able to see all of your connected devices listed in one place. This is a great way to confirm that the correct phone, tablet, laptop, or browser session is attached to your Evernote account. If you notice a device that you no longer use, it's a good idea to review it and keep your account organized. That helps you stay in control of where your notes are being accessed from. And if you ever change phones or switch computers, just install Evernote again, sign in with the same account, and your notes should sync back over. A few quick tips can also help make syncing smoother. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Check that Evernote is updated to the latest version on every device. And if you're working offline, remember that changes may not appear until you reconnect to the internet. Once you're back online, Evernote should sync your updates automatically. So to recap, install Evernote on each device, sign in with the same account, verify that your notes appear across devices, use manual sync if needed, and check the Devices section in Settings to confirm everything is connected. That's really all it takes to keep Evernote synced across your phone, tablet, and computer. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.